Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new to my channel, I am a plant-based RN and I follow the Starch Solution. The Starch Solution was a program that was developed by Dr. John McDougall, and he details that in his book, The Starch Solution. Basically, it is a starch-centered diet focusing on whole food, plant-based, no oil, lots of fruits and non-starchy veggies, whole grains, basically a low-calorie density way of eating. I'll leave a link to his book in the description box below. On my channel, you will find whole food, plant-based recipes that are quick and easy. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is twice a week. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Chew on Vegan. And if you're new to this way of eating or just feel like you need some more support, I started a Facebook group. We're a group of like-minded people all following the same way of eating, and we share recipes and give each other support. I'll leave a link to that group in the description box below. So I wanted to touch on low-calorie density and foods that are low-calorie density. So about 100 calories per pound are non-starchy vegetables. 200 to 300 calories per pound are fruits. 400 calories per pound are potatoes, corn, oats. And 500 calories per pound would be whole grains and rice, and 600 calories per pound would be beans and legumes. So if you stay in those parameters between 100 and 600 calories per pound for your food, you will have a much better chance of being successful, losing weight, and definitely will improve your health. So today I'm going to be showing you a meal such as this. It's going to have non-starchy vegetables, it's going to have some rice. I am going to throw in a little bit of tofu, which is a little bit higher on the scale, but I have some left over and I want to use it up, and I'm going to make a really quick teriyaki bowl. I'm also making this recipe to show you how fast and how quick it is to make a dinner. If you have veggies in your freezer, you have leftover rice, you are pretty much golden. That's why it's so important to prep and have things at the ready in your fridge or in your freezer. So when you come home from work and you're tired and you're hungry, you can whip something together and be eating dinner in less than 30 minutes. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with our frozen stir-fry veggies. Got this from Costco. This is a huge bag. It is 5.5 pounds. This is gonna last you a little bit. So we're just gonna throw this in my skillet, which I've had heating up. So I put a good amount in there. And if you're going to be cooking these, you might as well cook a bunch, and then you'll have enough for another meal. So I'm going to put a lid on this, and we're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes. And if you noticed, there's no oil. I didn't put anything in the pan, just the veggies. And you just want to give it a stir every 3 or 4 minutes. And I did add some peas in here. I forgot, I always add peas to my stir-fry veggies if they don't come automatically in the mix. So it's been about 10 minutes, and now I'm going to add some Teriyaki Balsamic. This is from California Balsamic. And I'm going to add some of this to the veggies, and then I'm going to let them cook for about another 5 minutes, and then we will be ready to eat. And we'll probably add a little bit more once everything's done. So we'll let this go for about another 5 minutes. So the last few minutes that the veggies were cooking, I just heated up my tofu and my rice. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this delicious teriyaki balsamic from California Balsamic. I'll leave a link to their website. Maybe a little on my tofu. And then of course I have to use my sweet chili sauce on my rice because I'm obsessed with this stuff. So there is dinner in what, less than 20 minutes? So there's really no excuse not to eat healthy. The key is to prep and have things in your fridge ready to go. let's give this a taste. So here is our teriyaki bowl. Lots of non-starchy vegetables. We've got our starch, a little bit of tofu. Like I said, you can leave that out. So let's give this a taste. That teriyaki balsamic, I highly recommend you check out their website, California Balsamic. I'll leave their link below. They have tons of flavors, and this teriyaki is great. No sugar, no fat. It's a great sauce. I use it all the time. And if I can find a discount code, I'll throw that in too, but no promises. So I hope this video showed you how easy it can be, how simple it can be, and you've got to keep it simple. If my meals are not simple, I'm not going to survive. I'm not going to stick with it. I can't do complicated. I can't do a million ingredients. I just need to like boom, boom, boom. Dinner's ready in less than 30 minutes. When I get home from work, I am hungry and I don't want to mess around with a complicated recipe. So just keep in that parameter of the 100 to the 600 calories per pound. Eat till you're comfortably full and you will have great success. So please subscribe to my channel, like and share. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Chew on Vegan, and check out our Facebook group as well. All my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you.